Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can factory reset your Razer BlackWidow. It's super simple. So first, plug it out from PC or laptop, wherever you have it connected to. Then what you want to do is simple, just press escape. Then you want to press caps lock and spacebar at the same time. So we're going to unplug it, press escape, caps lock and spacebar and hold it. And while you're holding these three buttons, you want to plug it back to the computer. And then it's going to be like ticking or the light's going to be flicking. It's going to perform the reset, and this is how you're going to reset your keyboard. Now, another really important thing is that what you can do is you can try it out again. So plug it out, again press the escape, caps lock, spacebar, and plug it back in. So test it out if it's going to work out, and possibly it's going to work out for you. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much for watching, and I just want to make this quick video, and let me down below in the comments if this video helped you. And have a great day and goodbye.